Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Nemeth. I'm a periodontist in Southfield, Michigan. Have you ever heard the phrase, you are what you eat? Well, this is what I have every morning. I have a large portion of steamed greens every morning. Sometimes it's spinach, sometimes it's collards. It could be chard or arugula or dandelion greens, but it's different every morning and it's a large portion. Very, very important. And normally Doreen will steam those for me, and she calls herself, what is it called, the cupbearer?
The cupbearer.
They taste it, to make sure there's no poison in it. She's teasing, but anyway. And then I have 3 cups of my blended salad, which is also a very important part of the staff of life, at least for me. And that's typically made by Nancy every morning, so I have 3 cups of this. I have a large portion of steamed greens, lots of fiber. I'm getting lots of vitamins, lots of minerals. These things are critically important if you want to be healthy and stay healthy and live a reasonably long life. Greens are incredibly, incredibly important. So I just want to pass this on to you. Very, very important for me in my life, and I think everyone should have this. Of course, fresh fruits also, but deep greens are even more important. So I want to thank you guys, and I want you all to keep your mouths healthy, because if your mouths are healthy, you will have a healthier body. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We would love to hear from you. Questions, comments. Try to have some of this every day, and have a really good day.
Restore your smile and your health. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.